Centro is a flow control products distributor. We handle everything at a factory that flows through a pipe, be it gas or liquid. We sell instruments that measure pressure, temperature, and flow through that pipe. We sell pumps and compressors. And finally, we sell filters, which take the impurities out of the materials that are flowing through that pipe. We operate from the timeline in Tennessee and Kentucky west, Mississippi and Arkansas, northern Louisiana and East Texas, and we also sell in the Boot Heel, Missouri and northern Alabama. We have 62 employees at Centro. We have 5 branches. Memphis is our main branch, and then we have branches in Nashville, Little Rock, El Dorado, Arkansas, and Shreveport, Louisiana. I view myself as the scorekeeper for Centro. We have a great team at Centro who goes out and makes sales calls, who prepare all the products for shipping, who take care of paying the expenses and collecting the cash. At the end of the month, I'm the scorekeeper who adds up the sales, determines what the expenses were, and determines how much profit is left in the business. We restructured our compensation plans at Centro to allow our sales associates to earn unlimited money. We also implemented an inside sales commission pool. We were appointed the representative for Foxboro products in Western and Central Tennessee and in the state of Mississippi. In addition, we acquired Green Controls Company, who was the Foxboro representative in Arkansas and northern Louisiana. We transformed Centro from a business that was more commodity oriented to a business that was more technically and solutions oriented. The third major turning point was in 2006. We acquired a small pump distributor in Shreveport, Louisiana. This gave us entry into the pump business, which was going to form the 4th major stool of our revenue base at Centro. In fact, our motto is the best solutions flow through us.